Today is December 1 and I'm planning to decorate my studio for Christmas. I already placed a bit of decoration. Mara is part of it and a few of us are cats too. And the thing is that we still have renovation, and I was really hoping that we were able to finish it before December, but yeah, I'm always optimistic with renovation, but I feel like we probably finish only in spring. And again, probably it's really optimistic. So now my room looks like this. You can see I still have this ugly wall behind me, but when I'm sitting behind my table, I don't see this, and most of the time I only see my window, like my shelves and this part of the room. So I'm pretending that I don't see this part. Now it's in the dark, so it's fine. And yeah, so today I'm gonna decorate my room as I can, and yeah, I just want to show you this. That's mostly it. Okay, let's do this. I'm starting with something I do every year, drawing snowflakes on one of my windows. Living in the Netherlands, where it almost never snows, I really miss the sight of the snow, because originally I'm from Belarus and during the winter we have a lot of snow. And this is why this little tradition feels really special for me. And I only decorate one window, so the one I see most often when I'm at my desk. There are different kind of materials with which you can draw on your window. For example, like chalk markers, I use them a few times, but lately I really just love using my regular white gouache. It works perfectly beautiful. When it's like slightly thick, it spreads perfectly on a glass and it wipes off easily after you want to clean your window. And when I'm painting snowflakes, the paint dried pretty quick, so I usually draw a few snowflakes at the time and then I gently dab the top layer with a napkin. This makes them look more delicate and transparent, giving them this soft frosty charm. I don't know, but I really love to do this. If you skip the napkin step, it's totally fine, but then your snowflakes will be just like a bit more darker and bolder, which is also nice, but I love much more softer effect. Next, I grabbed some branches. I found them last year on the road after a big storm, and I thought it would be really nice for decoration in my room, and I really love them. It's really simple, like decoration thing, it's nature, and I really love it how I can place it in my room. With the branches ready, I bring out my paper garlands. I made them myself last year, and I have like a few sets with a cute cats in a hat and some like winter set. And at first I made them just for fun for myself because I really love decorating my room. And then I thought maybe I need to share them, so I just like add them to my little shop. If you like them, you can get them too, and you can print it at home or in some studio. They are digital files, so you can get them anytime, and if you even want, you can create a creative gift for your friends.
Holly hanging across the door, neighbors singing tales of yore. It's so close, hardly can wait. Waking up on Christmas.
I thought I'd be done like just in an hour, but as I started pulling everything out, digging through boxes in the attic to find old decoration, setting them up, and tidying as I went, I realized I was just like feeling a little bit overwhelmed and tired, and I just need a break, so I just like go out to get some fresh inspiration. And I decided to take a walk to the center of my small cozy town, just to walk around, and probably I'll visit few cozy shops to check their Christmas decoration, hoping to spark some new ideas and probably buy some new decorations too.
Without a care, 'tis the season most everywhere. So come home, there's no better place. Waking up on Christmas Day, tinsel wrapped around the tree, snowflakes dancing in the street, presents tied up with a string for you and me. So grab your stocking above the fire. Bells are rocking to the choir. No, nothing else is the same. Waking up on Christmas Day. Waking up on Christmas Day, tinsel wrapped around the tree, snowflakes dancing in the street, presents tied up with a string for you and me. So grab your stocking above the fire. Bells are rocking to the choir. No, nothing else is the same. Waking up on Christmas Day. Waking up on Christmas Day.
I ended up buying just two sinks. One of them is a candle holder shaped like a little church. And I really love that it's white because white churches is extremely magical for me, like extra magical. And this one was so simple and so beautiful. I didn't check it yet with a candle, but it will be definitely magical. And another thing I bought, it was a tea. I saw it's like a name winter tea, and I like, okay, I need to try this one. I'm not a big fan of teas, honestly, but I'm still trying to find the tea I would really love. So I hope this one will be good. Tea is ready, and now I'm moving to the final part of decorating my studio. This time I'm hanging a garland around the window. It looks like a tree branches, which just feels so festive and cozy. And along with it, I'm also will add another garland made of little triangles or flags. And this garland I bought a year ago, and I just love it. When I saw them for the first time, I thought like, oh my goodness, it's like all these delicate lace-like patterns on it remind me of frosty design that appeared on the windows in the cold, and it feels so wintry and magical and so perfect for this time of the year. I finished decorating late at night, so I couldn't fill my room as I'd planned. And I was like so sleepy, so instead I decided to leave it for next day. And in the morning, it was so magical when I woke up and I come into my room and I have a Zoom meeting with my patrons. It's wonderful people who follow me on Patreon, and we have this cozy meeting when we drawing together and chatting. So today we were painting snowy landscapes together, and after decorating my workspace, I really feel that magical winter vibe. I can't wait to share it with you. So once our call is over, I take care a few last things, like just like a simple things and one secret thing. You will see it soon. And I will finally settle up with cup of tea, and I'm gonna watch a Christmas movie, and I believe it will be the perfect ending of all of this day of my work. I'm almost finished, and before I will show you it all together, I want to show what I got for my room. This is really strange stuff, but probably all artists who are working at home are dreaming about their own fireplace. And yeah, so it's impossible to make the real stove, the real fireplace on my workspace in my studio. So I got a little bit weird stuff, but okay, I don't know, like I didn't even open this box, but let's look at this together. Okay, this is the box. It's not really heavy, and now I will try to open it and see what we have inside. Oh my goodness, I don't even know where to place it because it's like a real heater, so I would need to find the right place for this little... Okay, alright, this is how it looks like. I don't know if it's possible to see. It's not like, it's really, but it looks like it's a real one. I can even like probably with some paints I will create the feeling of like real metallic stuff or some like old vintage stuff. Yeah, but this looks really cute. Okay, now I need to find the place where I will put it. Whew, okay. I hope you see me in reflection. Just want to show you that it can be open like this, and it can be open like this. And yes, this is not an advertisement. I just like bought it for my money. It's not super expensive, and yeah. Okay, I feel like I've finished with all this decoration stuff. I don't know why, but this year I'm a bit exhausted by the end of this. And now I'm going just have a cup of tea and watch Christmas movie in all of this super Christmassy setup. Here's like, where is Mara? Yeah. Yes, Mara. And Romy is also with me.